Okay, so we're gonna go for these here. No, I'm good. I'm gonna put a little out at a time and let Ray sample them as well as myself. So first we have these, and it says winter on there, you guys. So let's see what they're doing here. Let's check these out first.
These are good. The beer and cheese kettle cooked Lay's chips. I like them. Tastes like it don't taste like beer. It tastes like cheese.
I taste the cheese and kettle. If you love kettle,
Like a drop of beer on there or something.
I think you'll like these.
It's good.
I think you'll like them. I'm not a kettle person. My son is. So, here. I'm good.
I could look at it like that.
That's how it was. That's right. Okay.
We got some water too.
And with the kettles, I find if you keep eating them, you'll love them. Thanks, Ray. The more I eat, the better it tastes. Well, not bad, guys. Not bad at all. Okay. So we put it in our palettes. We taste them. We put the water. Okay. We'll rate them after we're done eating them. That's what we'll do. We'll tell you what we like. But remember, that was Lay's Kettle Classic Beer and Cheese Chips. Okay, now for Lay's. These are Wave, Lime, and Salt Sea. Sea salt, excuse me. Sea salt. We're gonna see what these are like. Right.
Oh, it's like the Ruffles.
Yeah. So this one is like this, guys. It's a ruffle chip.
How it tastes?
This is good. I like these. These are good. I like these, guys. I really like them. Ray don't like them. I like this. This is my taste. Lime and sea salt. You can taste the lime. You can taste the sea salt. And I'm a lime. I love lemons and lime. Yeah, pretty decent. You don't care for the lime?
No, I'm trying to. It's like a weird taste to
It's
it, but it's good, but it's nasty at the same time. I'm just trying to figure it out.
Okay. Not nasty, Ray. I think maybe it's the lime. It's
I
really
think so.
heavy lime in this chip.
Yeah, they did a good job on that.
They put a lot of lime. Raisin's not a lime or lemon person. So, think of it here.
I mean, if you keep eating it, it wouldn't be a problem. But like, if you eat it and you stop, you'll probably be like, okay, this is nasty. And then you go back later, you probably be like, okay, this is not that bad. I mean, it's not that bad. But I like the beer and cheese one.
So far, he likes the beer, the kettles. I'm not a hot person. I do eat hot sauce. I have one. I'm sure you guys are familiar with. It's Pete. So I'm not a person of the spices real hot. Okay. I think this is I would buy it again. It's way it's like a ruffled potato chip. And like I said, it has the lime and the sea salt. It's by Lay's. Now we're about to try
the Flamin' Hot Dill Pickle Remix.
Hey.
These are probably gonna be, I don't know.
Let me smell.
It smells good. It smells just like dill pickles.
It smells like pickles.
And kind of sort of like hot Cheetos.
And it's like you can smell them very strongly when you open the bag up. So let's try them, guys. But it says flaming hot.
So it got a kick to
So it has a kick to it. This is what it looks like. And like I said,
Oh, you didn't eat it yet?
how is it, Ray?
Oh, it's good. I like it. It's different.
You know what? This thing is hot.
And
This is hot.
I mean, it's...
This is hot. Yes, this is hot. No, for you, no, no, no.
It's weird, but it tastes like if you live in Detroit and you ever been to like the Eastern Market and you know that like that meat smell. I don't know. It's
No, thank you.
yeah, I'm taking that. I ain't gonna say it tastes like that.
I'm gonna tell you, it's flaming, it's hot, and it's on my tongue, and I don't want that on my tongue all day today. No. It's too hot. You can taste everything that they say that's in here. You can taste the dill, pickle, and you can certainly taste the flaming hot. Too hot. Too hot. Too hot. So if I had to pick one, it'd be 1, 2, 3. With this being 10,
1, 2, and 3.
10, 9, and no for Ray. Thank you, YouTubers. The best is yet to come with me. Now, I have started off with my son in my videos, and I'm proud to let you guys know that I'm going to make YouTube live. So if you guys would just subscribe to me today, give me a thumbs up, I'm coming back. There are going to be some videos downloaded today that my son and I have done today. Okay, my son says up, I say down, I say up. He say down. If I say down, he say up. So today, when they get on there, watch us. Show us some love, YouTubers. And the best is yet to come. Thanks. Ray
And Ray.
and Ray.
And Ray.
Go K. We're going to do this. All right. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.